If you want to check voicemail messages on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first of all we're gonna open the phone app. Next we're gonna switch at the bottom over here to keypad, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And if you have any messages left in your voicemail, then you should be able to listen to them, to check them. Now, in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, or you cannot reach voicemail like this, then you might need to adjust the voicemail number. So we're gonna go back to home, and then over here in the top left corner we can tap on these 3 lines and then choose settings. Next, proceed to voicemail, advanced settings, setup, and then we have the voicemail number. Now, in this case, in order to find out what number you need to enter over here, you can either try to Google that information, or you can try to contact your carrier or service provider and ask them what is the voicemail number that you should use. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.